Hey guys and girls, welcome to Learn Dutch Conversation Lessons by ifactner.com. In lesson number 14, we will be talking about spices in Dutch. Spices are called kruiden or kruiden in Dutch, so you have to use the soft N. Kruiden, kruiden, kruiden. Let's start our lesson number 14. Spices. Kruiden. Red chili powder. Rode chili powder. Rode chili powder. Rode chili powder. Red chili powder. Rode chili powder. Turmeric. Curcuma. 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 Turmeric. Curcuma. Coriander. 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 Poppy seed. Manzat. Manzat. Manzad. Poppy seed. Manzad. Black pepper. Zwarte pepper. Zwarte pepper. Zwarte pepper. Cinnamon. Kaneel. 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 Cinnamon. Kaneel. Bay leaf. Laurier blad. Laurier blad. Laurier blad. Bay leaf. Laurier blad. Cumin. Comine. It's comine. Why? Remember? Comine. Clove. Kraut nachel. Nachel is nail. Kraut nachel. Kraut nachel. Kraut nachel. Clove. Kraut nachel. Cardamom. 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 Tamarind. 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 Saffron. 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 Gram flour. Gram bloem. Gram bloem. Gram bloem. Gram flour. Gram bloem. Salt. Zout. 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 Salt. Zout. Sugar. Suiker. 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 Sugar. Suiker. So guys and girls, let's begin our practice session. I will be speaking in Dutch and you will be translating and speaking in Dutch. I will be speaking in English. Spices. Yes, kruiden. Red chili powder. It's rode chili powder. 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 Rode chili powder. Turmeric. Yes, curcuma. Coriander. Nice, coriander. Poppy seed. Yes, manzad. Black pepper. Yes, zwarte pepper. Cinnamon. Ja, Kanel. Bay leaf. Yes, Laurierblad. Cumin. Yeah, it's not comygen, it's comine. Comine. Clove. Yes, Krautnachel. Nachel. Cardamom. Yes, cardamom. Tamarind. Yeah, tamarind. Saffron. Nice, saffron. Gram flour. Gram. Gram bloom. Salt. Yes, zout. Sugar. Very good. Suiker. Now, guys and girls, I will only be speaking in Dutch, so please listen to me carefully. Les 14. Kruiden. Kruiden. Rode chili powder. Kurkuma. Coriander. Maanzaad. Zwarte pepper. Kaneel. Laurierblad. Comine. Kruidnagel. Cardamom. Tamarind. Saffron. Gram bloem. Zout. Suiker. Guys and girls, if you would like to do some more exercises, then please visit us on ifactner.com. Please subscribe to our channel. If you liked this video, then please give us a thumbs up. I will see you in the next lesson. Until then, take care. Bye. Dag. Doei.